is an important symbol of identity and culture for many people and communities around the world. Food represents creativity, art, ingenuity, resourcefulness, pride, and so much more. Food unique to specific regions or cultures has been influenced by the geography, availability of ingredients, and cultural exchange, both historically and to the present day. Ingredients such as spices, grains, and vegetables have been shared or introduced from different regions of the world. In kitchens across the world, there is even fusion cooking, where unique sets of ingredients and culinary traditions from two or more cultures are combined to create new dishes. Just like this sushi burrito created by combining Japanese and Mexican cuisines. Factors such as lifestyle and cost of food impact what choices people make about their meals each day. How healthy or unhealthy a food is for our body and the planet can influence a person's food choices too. Let's take a look at a few of the factors that make food more or less healthy. Whole foods are foods that come directly from nature, such as a garden or farm. These types of foods, such as fresh fruits and vegetables, nuts, seeds, legumes, have many stored nutrients which help us receive the vitamins, minerals, water, and other things we need to keep our bodies strong and healthy. Highly or heavily processed foods that are not as nutritious are foods that have gone through a number of steps to change from their original state. They are typically made in a factory. Highly processed foods may have started with whole food ingredients, but were combined with other ingredients such as preservatives, colorants, and other additives, and because of this, its health value is less than that of whole foods. Packaging is also a factor to consider when evaluating the health value of a food. Foods that come with packaging, such as shiny wrappers, bags, or layers of plastic, typically are a processed or a highly processed food. These types of food are also less healthy for the planet, since the waste created from the packaging can take many years to decompose and create toxic leakage to our soil and water when disposed of. When packaging is needed, reusable or compostable packaging is a better alternative. The time a food takes to expire is another factor to think about. Food that expires quickly is typically more healthy, since it generally means food is more fresh. For example, fruits, vegetables, and freshly made meals. Whereas foods that take much longer to expire are typically those with added preservatives and are more likely to be processed or highly processed. The color of food can also tell us a lot about the health benefits it has. Foods that have natural color to them typically reflect specific nutrients such as vitamins and minerals they possess. Therefore, eating a variety of foods with naturally occurring colors give us a better chance of also receiving a variety of nutrients for our body. However, pay attention to foods that have bright colors that are not so natural, such as what you see in bottled drinks, candies, snacks, and more. Many times, these foods have ingredients such as unnatural colorants added to them to give them bright, attractive colors. These types of foods usually have little to no nutritional value to them. There are many things to consider when evaluating food on being more healthy or less healthy, but these are just a few. For many people, food represents identity, culture, unity, and resistance. Food also has the power to bring people together. And of course, our personal food choices and the health of our body and planet are strongly connected as well. Think of one of your favorite meals. Then evaluate or take a look at something closely and make a judgment. In this case, take a look at your meal closely to determine whether it is more healthy or less healthy. And if needed, consider a small change that may help bring more health value to you and the planet.